We are a joint replacement center, which means that everyone who interacts with a patient has been trained in the specifics of not just orthopedics, but actually joint replacement specifically. Usually when you're talking about joint replacement, that's for patients who have severe arthritis, for whom regular medical treatment of their arthritic symptoms hasn't really worked or has stopped working. So those things are like medicines, injections, physical therapy. When those things don't work anymore and the joint is really worn out, then we talk about joint replacement surgery. We're well versed on the technical side, so we perform minimally invasive surgery, anterior approach total hip replacement. We have 2 Mako surgical robots, so we perform robotic surgery. So we're really on the cutting edge of what's new and what's better in our field. The focus is on minimizing the time to recovery and making sure that the muscle damage, etc., is at a minimum. That's really what we're talking about when we're talking about minimally invasive surgery. Patient-centered care means looking at how the patient is cared for from the patient's perspective. How does it work from when they come in to see me, to when they're scheduled for surgery, to when they get their preoperative testing, to when they're admitted, when the surgery happens and discharge, and try to optimize all those steps. And just the way that things work in our facility tends to be very smooth, and a smooth experience is generally better for the patient.